Hi, beautiful people. It's your girl Carol NG here again, and welcome back to this amazing channel. So, it's the first week of the month, and I'm just from doing some shopping, and I want us to do a haul together. I've not bought a lot of things because I was just trying to fill in the gaps of what I don't have. So, let's get into the video. I will go straight to the haul, and I've just bought a few things. So we're going to just unpack them together. So the first thing I got is this fresh fry 2-liter oil at I think 576 shillings. So allow me to just mention the prices of those that I can remember. So I also bought this Menengai soap, and it was on offer. You were buying this and getting these 3 bathing soaps. You buy this 1 kg, get 3 bathing soaps. Then I also got this. This one was I bought it because of this added pack, this value pack. So this is 500 grams and 100. So this is a total of 600 grams. So I also bought several pieces of milk. This Brookside whole milk, and it normally makes a very sweet tea. So I got 4 pieces. These are for the remaining days of the week up to Sunday. So I also got these soft care sanitary towels. A small Colgate. I don't usually buy my Colgate in the supermarket. I normally get it at a wholesale shop in town. And I will be going for some shopping, I think, next week, where I will be getting Colgate and some other products like oils and perfumes. So I've just gotten the small one. This one for 55 shillings or so. Sorry for the background noise. The kids are already out of school. So I also bought these 2 kilograms of sugar, and they are branded Power Star because that's where I do my shopping. And some 4 o'clock drinks for my daughter, this Ribena and milk. So there's something I've done that I have never done. I've decided to buy this branded rice because I've realized the grain is almost similar as that of Pishori, and the last Pishori I bought was not 100%. So I just decided to try out this one other than spending so much money getting the Pishori. So I bought 2 kgs of this Power Star rice. I'm just hoping it's not going to disappoint me, by the way, because the grain is okay. I bought it at around 150 shillings. So I've also bought this unga at what do we call it? The home baking flour for cooking chapatis. I have another one left. So this one will be enough for the month. So I've also changed my chapati, my ugali brand today. I'm very used to Kavagara, but it is very, very expensive, and I really wanted to save up on this month's shopping because of next month. So I got this Ajab flour. I think it has been recommended by one of the YouTubers. I just want to give a trial. Hope it's not going to disappoint me. So my Ajab flour is here. Then I don't love spaghetti, but my daughter has, so this one is for her. So I just got a piece. Of course, some salt. And finally, some coconut milk. This one was the only one that was left on the counter. That's why I just picked one. So these ones, I think this is just a refill of what I have. If you don't find something here, then know that I have it. And in case you have not watched my previous video, I already bought my cleaning products on Sunday. That's why you can't see any of them here except the soap. So everything else I bought on Sunday. Catch up with the previous vlog that I had uploaded on Tuesday. So, sorry, I also bought these tissues, and they were going for 265 shillings. That's a big offer. A piece is just going for 26 shillings, which is fair enough. And I have, I think, 6 more pieces left. So I think I'm not buying tissue papers anytime soon. I told you last time, every time when I'm doing a haul, I normally tell you, if you get offers in the supermarket, go for it, because at the next time you're going to buy it, maybe you'll not get the offer. So I also passed by the market and bought several items. So these are onions. All these are onions, and they were only going at 100 shillings. This is what these are onions. All these are onions, and they are medium sized. I love them that way. So these are onions, and I think like 5 pieces of nyanya. I didn't buy a lot of tomatoes because I have others. So let me not, there's no need to whatever. I also got, these are lentils, half a kg. I didn't do a lot of grocery shopping because I'll be going to do my shopping next week in the market. And that's why I bought just a few things. I also got black beans. I bought a few pieces of hoho. Lemon at 10 shillings, 3 at 10 shillings. These ones were going for 5 shillings, and I think I got 3 pieces. So these ones were 15 shillings, and these ones were 10 shillings. Then the rest are maize. I'm going to be cooking githeri. Yeah, so here they are. You remember in my other show, in my other video, I said I have beans. So anything that is not in this video, I have. So these are the items I've managed to buy. Everything here will push me up to end month except the cereals. So these ones I will have to fill up maybe in the course of next week or in the next 2 weeks. So guys, it's already evening. We are going to prepare dinner together, then we are going to close up on this video. This is what I'm preparing. I'll be preparing githeri, and my baby is not feeding on this one today. That's why I'm not even going to put potatoes. I'm going to fry it as it is. So I'll be using these onions. I'll also use two cubes, one are they called the no cubes, and the Rico cube. I'll also use carrots, capsicum, and tomatoes, and my oil there. And I'll of course use salt, but kidogo sana because the cubes normally have salt. So let's begin the cooking. So if you don't know how to measure your oil, you can always consider buying such an oil dispenser, because it helps you determine the amount of oil that you want to use. So I think that one is enough. So I'll just allow it to heat, then I'm going to put my onions. I've realized I didn't buy dania, but I'm just going to eat it that way because it's already night and I don't want to get outside. I don't usually allow my onions to completely brown. So I'll just put in the carrots, capsicum, and the tomatoes at this stage. So I will reduce the fire and allow them to cook until the tomatoes form some thick paste. They are cooking so well. So I'll just give them a few more minutes so that they can form the paste well. Then I will add in my cubes. So the paste is well formed. At this stage, I will just add my Royco cubes and allow them to cook for some minutes. Then I will now add in my githeri. So that's a chicken cube. I don't know how it's going to taste with the beef cube because I realized that I didn't have the Noor. They call the Noor or no, the no beef cube. So I've used the chicken one, but I hope it's going to add in some good taste. So I've added my githeri and part of it has refused to defrost. So I'm just going to give it time as it cooks. It's going to finish defrosting. So I'm not going to add my githeri any water. I'll just allow it to cook as it is. So my githeri is very ready and I love it that way. It's not too dry. So I'll just have it at this point and enjoy it. So here it is. I'll just be eating a small portion. By the way, these are not beans. These are mbazis. I don't know their English name. So for the beans githeri, I'm going to prepare it over the weekend. So I'll just have it with some kachumbari of nyanyas, of tomatoes and onions because I even forgot to buy an avocado. So guys, I hope you have enjoyed that vlog. In case you're new to this channel, make sure you hit the notification bell so that when I upload a new video, you can always get notified. So bye bye guys. Let me see you in my next one.